You can see by the let her come first. I have done all the measurements here because this one I need to record. The previous class also I was recording, but I missed one step, so I couldn't use for that recording. For class I will do for particular cheesecake class. So that's why I have done this preparation. Regular already I cheese also I have done, which is in the fridge. As per the measurements I have done. Okay, as per the measurements. So this is the thing which we will be using. How to do it? That also I will tell you. Let her come first.
What all we need to buy equipment, I told them.
What especially you are looking for?
No, all the, because I don't have anything, so what all needed.
See, the most important tools like a turntable you will need. Okay. Offset spatula you will need.
Spatula.
Offset spatula. Offset, not offset. Oh, O-double.
Okay.
You know which is offset spatula?
There, that is spoon plate. This one, I know. Sure. This one. There. Yeah, there. Okay.
Okay. Offset, we call it offset. Actually, this is the offset knife. But don't get confused.
Okay.
You take picture. And I get there offset spatula. And yeah, Arif is coming there. Okay, and make sure he will be there. Arif. And the store will be there. So whatever you want.
Okay.
Go
Yeah, I'll buy everything. I'll make one auto and go.
So you will buy the whole shop?
No, means needed, what all needed. Little I take. Then
So nozzles also. So things whatever he is bringing there, you can get it from him. Nozzles, I will show you.
Yeah.
4 to 5 nozzles are there. Now names you already have. Then electric hand mixer also you will need, but there you will not get. I think you can check there. There might be some people who are coming there, then they can, I don't know.
Bajaj.
Whatever.
Philips, Bajaj.
Depends the budget, it depends.
But 350 volts, right?
Minimum 350 should be there. Okay. Then what else? Baking spray you would be having.
Baking. No, I don't. I have only essence.
That
Vanilla
is most
essence.
important. Baking skill you need to buy.
That I have. Same thing.
That's what I'm asking. Baking skill. What else? Scraper. Steel scraper 6 or 8 inch.
6 or 8 inch.
Vanilla essence, so you will get it in this hamper also. I will be giving you hamper. You will get vanilla essence.
I have.
I just got a call in the morning from one of my just previous students also. She was, ma'am, from here I should buy the Vaporex because she has done the chocolate class also. I said, Gayatri, I gave you hamper from Fab. There was a Vaporex. Did you use it? Oh, ma'am, it is taking time to reach to me. So when I will get it? time learn. I don't know what language she speaks. She is little difficult to understand,
Understand.
communicate. So, okay, but listen to me carefully. I gave you hamper from Fab. There was evaporated. You use it. No, ma'am. Why you are not using it?
But she is asking for buying it. Maybe she didn't know.
Yes,
You
no.
have extra. I can buy for you. You have a free thing. Why we are not using it?
And this and all, this
Bowl
one,
mixing bowl.
no, this aluminium foil and that wrapping, no, that.
Parchment paper. Yeah, I also need to buy parchment paper.
Parchment paper.
Parchment paper.
It's weird.
Okay. Mm.
So whenever I am showing you the tools, no, it's better just write it that time only, because if you will ask me what I need to buy, then I will get confused what you need to buy.
Yeah.
So therefore, whatever I am showing, just make a list that time only. Okay. Like a cake tins also you will need definitely. If you have, I think you already have bought.
18.
Mm. But this and all we need to.
Yeah.
This one, what? This.
And what's the name of this one?
This is a ring, we call it. Ring. Size is 6 inch.
6 inch.
This is for cheesecake, right?
Yeah. ಅದೇ ಅವತ್ತೇ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಓವನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
Hello, I'm Shanti. How are you? Waiting for you only. From tomorrow you start half an hour early.
Yeah.
Okay. Exact 11.
Son? Son.
Sir, my mom came today morning.
As always, on a cheesecake, you always bake with the water bath.
What?
Water bath. Okay. So when we will preheat the oven, that time only we will keep the bowl of water. Otherwise, you are having the tray also. In that also you can fill the water. Okay.
Below we have to keep that.
So I will tell you how to do it.
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೀರು ಇಡ್ಬೇಕು.
कौन है जाने
Okay, so this is actually 6.5, this is 6, so so the simple step also I will, this is just actually I have to do recording also, that's why I'm doing this. You just take the ring, okay, I used to take a plate means this plate. And I just keep it here like, I mean it should be flat, the same side, this is not like that, I have another that I use, like this one. I don't do anything with this one, not even I don't use this also. So here we will just put the base first, then the batter of the cream cheese, the cheesecake batter, and then I will just put it in the baking flour. So what I used to do, I take another steel bowl, okay, or either if you are using that one which I kept here, you have a black tray. So fill that black tray with complete water. Understood? And preheat that oven. So by the time it will become hot, then you put these cake tins onto the medium rack, middle rack. The water will go on the lower rack. Don't forget, water will go on the lower rack. Cheesecake tins will go in the middle rack. Because you will be having the normal oven only, okay, the regular oven. So there you don't get missed. Like cheesecake, you will not put on the top rack. Okay, it will go in the middle only, and the water on the lower rack. Okay. So the simple way, like this, you can do it. Okay. So one we can do follow with the eggless I will tell you like this. Okay. Let me set this first. First I am preparing the egg one. Okay, I have done all the measurement as per the recipe. There is one change. I hope you have done. Okay. Shashi, either you come this side so that the light should not get. No, come this side. No problem.
Okay.
Come this side. Come this one. And if you want to record, please go ahead and you can do the recording. Cheesecake is little tricky. You have to be very careful while making the cheesecake. Otherwise, the cheesecake will not come properly. Okay?
itu kemana penak benar aja.
Cheesecake also no baking soda. It is not your regular cake. It is completely different cake. We are calling it a cake, but it is not our regular. So we will not use any butter and maida or the leavening agents. Okay, we will not be using those. Can I use my mics if you will not speak? Otherwise, I have to do again second time recording. Can I do it?
Yeah.
Okay, then I will do it. आज क्या बन रहा है? आज हम चीज़ केक बना रहे हैं विनोद, एंड उसके बाद हम बनाएंगे केक पॉप्स एंड केक सिकल. Sit. I will take little time. You also sit, please. Go. I will tell you when you need to come there.
Very tasty.
I will start your presentation. Main you, this is second. Okay, so you have to come here. And why I'm saying recording, because this cheesecake, as I said, is little tricky. So I hope you will know. I know that you will not be making right now. You will make after some time. So then you will follow how to do it, because very particular. The timings, the whipping, how much time you need to do it, everything is. Shall I start? So who is recording? So your phone should be here, not here. You want the stand? You want a stand? Okay, that will be good.
Yeah, I will take it.
Otherwise, do I need to buy? If you can use that, that is broken actually. I have this one, no? But this we cannot use, like bending position like this. But still, you can give me. It's better focus on watching instead of holding phone. Yeah. So, okay. So now don't shift it here, otherwise this stand will come like this. Okay, it's recording now.
Yeah, it's done.
So I will be speaking on two languages, English and Hindi, because so we are starting with the eggless cheesecake. First of all, we will prepare the cheesecake ring. सबसे पहले हम cheesecake ring को तैयार करेंगे. So this is the cheesecake ring which you get it from the market, and this is a different size you can get it. This is your 6-inch, 5-inch, 4-inch or bigger sizes also you can get it easily. Okay, this doesn't have the base. इस तरीके की रिंग्स आपको मिल जाती हैं, डिफरेंट साइजेस में आपको मिल जाएंगी. ये यहाँ पर 6 इंच है, 5 इंच मिल जाएगा, बड़ा साइज मिल जाएगा. एंड दिस डजंट हैव अ बेस. इसका बेस नहीं होता है क्योंकि इजीली हम उसे रिमूव कर सकते हैं. What is happening? This is when we are writing it, na, it's shaking. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. आपको दो सेकेंड टाइप का भी रिंग मिल जाएगा जिसमें कि बेस आपका रिमूवेबल है. सो यू कैन गेट इट अनदर टाइप ऑल्सो विच इज अ रिमूवेबल. सो इजीली यू कैन रिमूव दैट. ओके, so this is the easy. Now I will tell you how to prepare these rings. For this here I will be using this aluminum foil. इसके लिए हम यहाँ पर एल्यूमिनियम फॉइल यूज करेंगे. And just wrap it this way. This aluminum foil will not go inside. It has to be outside only. ये जो एल्यूमिनियम फॉइल है इसके अंदर नहीं जाएगा, ये बाहर ही रहेगा. और इस तरीके से इसका एक कवर कर देना है रिंग को, जैसे कि हम बेस रेडी करेंगे. like this, your ring will be ready. Now you will be using another cake chain. Into that you need to place this like this way. Okay, you can take the bigger size also, it will be easy to remove from the cake chain. And now we will be using for this cheesecake. So this is ready. And how we will be baking it? इसे बेक करने के लिए अब आपको यहाँ पर एक और टिन चाहिए होगा, जिसमें कि आप यहाँ पर वाटर पोर करेंगे, हॉट वाटर आप पोर करेंगे. Then this cake tin will go inside this, like this. So you can put this directly in the water also, but it might happen like it goes break from here and there, then water will go inside in the cheesecake. So that's why we are not using directly. Okay, if you want you can use it, but it's better to use it with this. अच्छा रहेगा कि हमेशा आप इसे दूसरे केक टिन में रखिए और फिर इसे यहाँ पर रखिए, and then here you will fill the hot water and then it will go for the baking. So with the water got baking, we have to bake this now. Okay, this is clear? Any confusion here?
So
No,
here we put water and heat, and again in the oven we have
No, not needed now. Not needed now. So I will be doing here only. So I will not put in that. Only one way you can use. Either you put in the tray. So in tray it is like any how whatever many cake tins you can do it, you can put it. No need to put in again and again. So in that tray, what happens, takes more space. If I will be using this only, then I can put 3 to 4 in the normal one. But with this, maximum 1 or 2 only I can put it, because everything needs the space. Understood? It's not going well.
Ma'am, it should melt completely or
It should melt. It should melt. Stop this. No, do not pause. Pause. उससे बैठ Now we are preparing the base for the cheesecake. So here I have taken the biscuits. Biscuits you can take any whichever you want. Digestive biscuit like this is the Mari which I have grinded. ठीक है, मैंने यहाँ पर मारी बिस्किट लिया है, उसको यहाँ पर बिल्कुल ग्राइंड कर लिया है. आप कोई भी बिस्किट यूज कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको चॉकलेट केक बनाना है लाइक चॉकलेट फ्लेवर यू वांट टू मेक इट, देन यू कैन टेक अ ओरियो आल्सो, बट यू हैव टू रिमूव द क्रीम between. The between cream you need to remove it, then you can grind it for the chocolate flavor or any biscuit whichever you want you can take it. And here we have taken the melted butter. Now this melted butter we will pour into this. And mix this now. मेल्टेड बटर इसमें ऐड करेंगे और इसे मिक्स कर लीजिए अच्छे से. And if you are using any different biscuits also, you need to check whether there should not be more butter. If there is a more butter, okay, then you have to adjust the quantity of butter over here. Then you need to reduce it. ठीक है, अगर आप कोई दूसरा बिस्किट यूज कर रहे हैं और उसमें इतना ज़्यादा बटर है या थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी है तो आपको बटर की क्वांटिटी कम करना होगा. रीजन अदरवाइज इट विल बी टू बटरी एंड द बटर विल कम आउट फ्रॉम द rim. Okay, now we will take our ready rim. Now spread this into the ring. And spread it all over it. It should be in level. Can you give me the silicone spatula? And you have to flatten this. Make sure it's in a level. Okay. First we will level this. This I have done the leveling. Now we need to press this, otherwise it will come out when you will remove it from the ring. It will not hold the shape. ठीक है, अब आपको उसे प्रेस करना होगा एक अच्छा सा हार्ड बेस देने के लिए. इफ यू विल सी हियर आर द क्रैक्स. आपको यहाँ पर क्रैक्स दिख रहे होंगे, तो यू कैन यूज द बैक साइड ऑफ योर द बाउल, अदरवाइज सिंपली यू कैन यूज दिस ऑल्सो. ठीक है, आपके पास ये होगा, आप ये भी यूज करके इसे प्रेस करना है लाइक दिस, जिससे कि हार्ड बेस रेडी हो. जब हम रिमूव करेंगे बेकिंग होने के बाद में, तो ये अपने आप ब्रेक नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर लूज रहेगा तो अपने आप ब्रेक हो जाएगा. सो प्रेस वेरी फॉर्मली. Okay, so now you will see it is completely formed. Now it doesn't have any cracks. Okay, so this is done and this will go in the fridge. By the time we will start our batter, so this will go into the fridge for 7. Okay, so keep this in fridge, and I have put kadhai on the gas, so switch on the flame there. And Aman will start later because the sound will not make too much sound. हेलो कोमल, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं आप? बहुत दिनों बाद आप आज लाइव आए, मतलब ज्वाइन किया है मेरा लाइव. those who are watching live, I will tell you that on 21st, 22nd and 23rd, India Bake Show is happening in Bangalore. And on 21st, I am going to give 2 free demos over there. One will be Kit Kat mousse cake, and second butter tea cake I am going to teach. That will be free, so you can come over there and you can join the class. आप क्लास ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, अगर आप बेंगलुरु में हैं तो आप आ करके क्लास फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट ज्वाइन कर सकते हो एंड बहुत ही अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस रहेगा, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें आपको वहाँ को नहीं मिलेंगी। रचना गैस ऑन कर दिया, so you started or you are ready?
How many minutes?
No, just prepare the batter. By the time it will set. It is not like it will take time. 5 minutes also fine. 2 minutes is also fine. By the time it will set, that's it. Okay. Okay, that's what I thought. Why I have taken very less cream cheese? This is not a cream cheese. Cream cheese in the fridge is going in the bowl, and that's why I'm confused. I'm checking the recipe again whether I have taken same quantity or not. It is a cream with this dairy cream, Amul cream it is. No. In bowl I have kept glass bowl. It is measured already. Glass bowl. Yes.
Yeah.
That's why I was confused that why it is so less and how the better I will make it.
Rice is, but you didn't come
But
to
still,
know.
no.
You do it like this.
Yeah, see, then I was thinking, what is happening, what is wrong? Okay. I will bring one glass bowl and just take out that electric hand mixer also. Extension also you put it. Let me check everything once again. Everything I have or not here.
Cream cheese, powdered sugar, egg, fresh cream, curd,
Sugar. I haven't taken sugar.
Brown sugar or banana?
Normal sugar only. You measure it as much as you give you the bottle. The exact quantity which is there, okay? Same quantity.
curd is there, no? Cornflour, no?
No, I have taken. There's I have taken. There's lemon also here. Okay, all done. Now we are starting the batter. अब हम batter start करेंगे. उसके लिए मैंने यहाँ पर एक bowl लिया है. I have taken the bowl over there. So first we will add the cream cheese here. taking cream cheese. एंड अब इस क्रीम चीज को हमें थोड़ा सा whip करना है. We will whip this cream cheese now. Just for half minute. Okay, that's it only. सिर्फ हाफ मिनट के लिए ही वेट करना है, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं करेंगे. एंड द स्पीड विल बी मीडियम. That's it. Now into this we will add sugar. ठीक है, कैस्टर शुगर और योर नॉर्मल ग्राइंडेड शुगर, जो आपकी नॉर्मल ग्राइंडेड शुगर होती है उसे आप ये पीस लीजिए. दिस इज द नॉर्मल शुगर ओनली. So make sure there you if the lumps are there you just break it and then you use it. Now to this we will be adding the sugar. This is normal castor sugar. ठीक है, अब हम इसमें शुगर ऐड करेंगे, एक साथ ऐड कर दीजिए एंड थोड़ा सा फिर से कुछ सेकंड्स के लिए वेट करेंगे. सो अगेन वी विल गिव इट फॉर अ फ्यू सेकंड्स ओनली. Make sure you are doing it on a medium speed, not high speed. Now into this I will be adding eggs, 2 eggs, one by one. First add 1 egg, then mix this. Need to mix it, not completely whipping. Okay, do not incorporate too much air because it will deflate. Because what will happen, first it will rise, then it will deflate. Then you add another egg. So here you have to remember, you will not do over mixing with any ingredient. This is most important here. Once it is done, mix and done. Okay, so this is ready now. Now in another bowl, let it be. having these ingredients, this is a dairy cream, corn flour, curd, and the vanilla essence. We will prepare separately. Do not add into the previous batter. Okay. So first, into the dairy cream, make sure it is chilled. It is cold. Into this, I will be adding corn flour. Then I will be adding curd. It shall not be too watery. If it is water is there, just remove the excess water. अगर उसमें water है तो आप remove कर दीजिए. Okay. Then I will add some vanilla. थोड़ा सा इसमें vanilla ऐड कर देंगे. Remove some eggs. Like which you are not using later on you can use it. Okay, understand? Now into this I will be adding the lemon zest. ठीक है, अब हम इसमें lemon zest ऐड करेंगे. Lemon zest will give you a very good flavor in the cheesecake. हमेशा याद करिए the yellow part. This is the green lemon, but the top part only you have to do it, not the white part, which is inside part. If you are scraping the inside part also, which is white, it will be bitter in taste. So just do it a very thin layer. As you can see, the green part is only coming because this is the green lemon. So yellow, or if you are using green lemon, then green part only, not the whitish part. This will give a very good flavor into the cheesecake. बस हल्का हल्का सा ही उसको स्क्रैप करना है आपको. Okay, then this also we will take it with the help of a spatula, and now we will mix this. So while we are doing it in a separate bowl, we are just trying to avoid the over mixing into this batter. The more you will mix, the more the bubbles will form. So it will rise, the cheesecake will rise when we will keep it for the baking. Once the cheesecake will be baked, it will sunk. So as you can see here, the bubbles are forming. We have to deflate here only. Okay. So that is why we are mixing these ingredients separate in the bowl and this in a separate bowl. And now this will go into this. Mix this now. You can use the electric hand mixer also on a low speed. So let me use that. Say use everything. Just low speed. One का use करना है. And done. Once you see it is mixed, then stop. Do not keep on mixing. Otherwise it will rise. Then it will deflate. दिस इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट वाइल बेकिंग द चीज़ केक. ठीक है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहता है कि आपको उसे ओवर मिक्स नहीं करना है. लम्स अगर हैं तो स्पैचुला यूज करिए. इन दैट वे यूज द स्पैचुला एंड ट्राई टू ब्रेक द लम्प. इफ स्टिल एनी लम्प इज देयर और एनी बिग बबल हैज फॉर्म, देन यू हैव टू ब्रेक दैट. नाउ वी विल टेक आवर केक टिन, द रिंग. Now this batter we will transfer it into this, which we kept it in the fridge. इसे हमने फ्रिज में रखा था, थोड़ा सा सेट हो गया है. कोई पर्टिकुलर टाइम नहीं है, आप इसे पहले बनाएंगे और जब तक आप इसे बनाएंगे तब तक इसे फ्रिज में सेट होने के लिए रखना है आपको. ठीक है, अब आप चाहे 5 मिनट्स लगाए हैं या 10 मिनट्स लगा रहे हैं, कम्प्लीटली फाइन. Now pour the batter. And then we will put the hot water. अब हम इसमें hot water डालेंगे here, and then it will go for the baking. I will prepare the areas also by the time we will keep it side. First you preheat the oven.
And water is boiling. Shall I turn it off?
You stop that. And preheat the oven also. this is low. And what is the regular time? 40 minutes. Okay. Yeah. A little less only. Okay. Not too much. Okay. So just please be aware of it and do not go over it. So when you will say it goes across, it goes rising, then again it's down. This is the reason that you have incorporated too much air into it. Otherwise, second reason is the ingredients were having too much water also, like curd, like cream or cream cheese. Okay? So, now let's
Ma'am, curd, it should be uncurd or like
just it should be thick. Like I kept it here, so it's left the water. So I removed that water. Even cream also left the water. That part also I removed. Okay. So again I will send you. There is a big cream I have kept it in the kitchen. But in the room. Give me the recipe because I will not follow that.
I'll get it.
So first see the process here. Started and into the food.
That is recording, you will put it in my channel.
No, this is for the separate cheesecake class because last time I got it but I missed one. So eggless I have done properly but egg one I was missing. So that's why I was done. So people ask for cheesecakes only, so I don't have separate class. Cravings, these recipes do not go for free. They not go free. If you are paying interest, I will not be posting. That's why I am saying whatever was waiting for them. Same quantity which is mentioned here. So we need to make the sour cream over here. If you get it very easily sour cream, you can just get that also. Otherwise, take this normal cream, add the lemon juice into it and leave it for some time. It will become the sour cream. Okay, the easiest way to prepare because it's very difficult. If the cream you will use directly from the new pack, it will leave the water also. So what you need to do, cut the pack, remove some very messy, remove the water, then use it. that you can use it. But for the cream cheese and all, like a cake, cream cake, or cream cheese cake, remove this. Where I get my towel?
Which one?
Back inside.
So into this we will add almost half of the lemon juice.
In the market, there is a sour cream.
You can get it if you can find it. It's from, but depends. Generally it's not really available. And this is just take a longer thing for the language, half of the language, particular technique. And that's it.
How long can it be?
I will keep it up to 15 days also, nothing else. So what I need to do, I will never touch this particular part with my finger. Okay, I will just close this. Just close it. If cream is there, try to remove from the spoon level. Don't use your finger. Okay. Otherwise it gets quite very fast if you are using your fingers. So it's there. Fridge only. This always go well in fridge only,
Freezer.
and this always go in the freezer.
Freezer.
And starting with that. Okay. And then you just so now just mix this and keep this aside. By the time you will start. Just pour this water over the and you start getting the oil. No, I was saying.
Ma'am, you want this to be washed?
No, bring it. Just remove all the water. The water I don't want.
Is this the one?
No. Then the kimchi is not that soft. It's little harder. Because by this time I don't know what happened wrong. So paneer didn't get proper. I have no water.
Which one do you use?
I used to make at home. Made at home.
What are the names?
Cream.
Cream,
Probably I'm making the cream cake. 1 liter, 1 is to 1 ratio I told you. 1 liter milk will take 1 liter this cream cake. Okay? Then boil it and add the lemon juice or the vinegar. Kind of I will have to make it curdle like paneer.
Yeah.
But the paneer consistency is little hard. So that consistency will be little softer. But just too much softer. There is water. You should not do that. One by one we will take this. Same quantity. Same quantity we are taking, not less, not more. Same one follow. Now we will give this first. So we are dipping it to bring it in a smooth consistency. We are not incorporating into any layer. Just take the smooth consistency and done. Okay, this is done. Now to this I will be adding condensed milk. So what's it done? Just wait a second. Done. Just I'm mixing. Okay, I'm not making a longer time. Now into this we will add this cream. And this we are not separating this. Definitely we have to do it. Why not? Okay, let me take the plate. I will let you put the plate not with this. This I have told you. But easier way also. So butter and oil I use. This is for mixing. It was added in a small.
This is the design one butter.
Yes.
Butter is mixed, right?
No. It's their base. Base.
Okay, base. 3 rounds.
I want to stop that.
Over na? I directly off it.
But do fast, okay? A little fast. Plug in that microwave, keep it this.
Okay.
I'm saying fast is slow. Do fast. Wait.
Flash everyone off on. What is the remote?
No, I have this.
This is fine. Little bit
Ah,
different.
no.
Already base is what I have prepared and
So this is all the same knowledge before you made it the code. Any confusion will ask me, no?
Green. You added that green. She was not there.
you went inside.
I was pressing on that until
I was telling that to her. She's showing that. No, I saw that it's not there in the sometimes it happens.
phone you have in hand.
We
Where is
have
phone? Where is phone?
That way, by doing comparison research and this is sugar,
Castor sugar and normal sugar polymer.
Simple sugar.
No, in the salary program I have already used it.
Complaint చేసి
This is a conflict. Manila is not there if you don't like this. Then just also it was placed on my Telugu student because I remember I don't know how to say all this. Telugu students take less lesson. close it. If you put it there, there. Okay, fine. After I get.
You put little, and ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಅದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
This I made with the milk powder. It's already
Condensed.
but still there's some sugar that I anyhow we will be adding coffee also on the top like the night or sweet. When the rain.
This one your
From my home.
nice. Home.
No, I brought the palak and methi also. Still, it's my favorite.
Yeah, if it is fresh, it will be there.
Methi is still it's my favorite. Palak I have finished. I brought mossambi also, oranges also. Still, it's in the fridge. My son is eating slowly. The weight of this particular bag. Okay. This we know 150 plus 50 we can 120 plus 50 so we know. So we will compare how much we will elaborate after the eating. There's no time. So we will see how much. 148. We are only 10 minutes of time. So I will not do anything. Okay? I will just keep this and increase the time. This I have to do.
So just go on to water. Go back.
That's why I already kept it. Okay? So the time is whatever you use this. Generally what happens, we don't remove from the first stage. It has to be actually inside only. But there is a time difference, so I cannot leave it just here. I have to anyhow remove it. So what I can do, I can keep from the box for the okay, because it is a temperature shock. Suddenly if you will give a temperature shock, it will again suck. So with the temperature shock, We cannot do anything else now, so we will wait for 30 minutes. So whatever questions you have, yes. Shashiji, everything is clear for you?
Yeah.
If you have any questions, please ask.
Now, for this eggless one, we added lemon juice to make it sour, right, to the cream. But after that, should we still use that zest to make it?
Yeah, that fragrance will be completely different. The just fragrance will be different. But the message is also completely just different. So there, I will also
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ನೀರಿಗೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಕರಡಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನು ಈ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನು ಆ ಥರ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಎರಡು ಸ್ಲೀವ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ